If you're still paying MSRP in 2026, you're either buying a unicorn or you're getting played, because when inventory piles up nationwide, the dealer's power fades and yours increases. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 vehicles with the most nationwide inventory and what that means for your deal. Hey, what's going on? It's Dave with Everyman Driver. If you want the real market breakdown, inventory pressure, discount leverage, and how to avoid dealer games, hit subscribe. I've been doing this every week since 2012. Quick question. Which one of these are you shopping for after you watch this? And are dealers acting desperate in your area just yet? Here's the deal. High inventory usually means one of two things. Production outran demand, or buyers are hesitating. Either way, dealers have carrying costs and targets. That's why this list is a leverage map, if you will. And I'm not saying every dealer here is suddenly generous. Some stores will try to pad the deal with add-ons and payment games. But heavy inventory creates something buyers haven't had enough of lately, and that is choices. So here they are from 10 down to 1, beginning with the Ford F-150, almost 22,000 of these nationwide. The F-150 is the default full-size truck. So when inventory is this high, it's not nobody wants it, it's more like competition is savage, and dealers can't sit on them forever, especially in truck-heavy markets like Texas, for example. Your pros and cons: strong capability, reputation in the full-size class, massive dealer network, so easy to price shop. High inventory usually increases negotiating room. The cons: trims and options spread make comparisons kind of messy. Dealers may push payment first deals. Add-ons can quietly inflate the out-the-door number. If you want to cross-shop, look at the Silverado 1500, a direct rival. Use competing quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com as leverage. Then you have the Sierra 1500, similar truck, foundation, often different dealer behavior though. Next up is the Kia Sportage, 22,700 across the nation. Best location to find it is New York. Sportage inventory stacking up means you can negotiate like a grown-up because there are plenty of alternatives in this segment and dealers know it. The pros and cons of the Sportage: well, competitive compact SUV footprint and practicality. Segment competition helps buyers negotiate. Higher inventory equals more selection. The cons: good deal can vanish after fees and add-ons. Some trims can stay firm on pricing. Easy to overpay if you don't cross-shop the right way. Two alternatives: the Hyundai Tucson and Honda CR-V. Next, the Nissan Rogue, just under 23,000 available nationwide. Rogue inventory this high tells me that buyers are cross-shopping hard, so use that. It's a popular segment, means lots of options and availability. High inventory can create discount pressure. Easy to compare offers across many dealers. Watch the fee structure closely though. Discounts can be offset by add-on products. Payment talk can hide total deal cost, so beware of that. You can cross-shop the CR-V, forces a prove-it deal conversation, and again, the Hyundai Tucson keeps a dealer honest on pricing and features. Speaking of the Hyundai Tucson, you'll find 24,225 across the nation. When Tucson inventory stacks up, you can force stores to compete, especially in dense markets like New York. Pros and cons: well, pros, strong value positioning in a hot segment. Lots of inventory equals strong choice and availability. Dealer-to-dealer competition can help pricing. Your cons: deal quality varies heavily by dealer. Fees can erase advertised discounts, and you must cross-shop to avoid overpaying. And that includes the Sportage and Nissan Rogue, vehicles I've already talked about. The GMC Sierra 1500, just under 25,000 available nationwide. Premium trucks are expensive to sit on. That's why you negotiate. Strong full-size truck appeal with premium lean is a pro here. High inventory can create negotiating room for you. Dense dealer regions increase the quote leverage. The cons: premium trim can spike total cost pretty fast. Add-ons are common to protect the margins and hard to compare deals across trims and options. But you can cross-shop the Silverado 1500. Same battlefield, forces better offers, and the F-150, as mentioned before, as the default truck. At number 5, the Ford Explorer. As of this recording, 24,885 available nationwide. This is a three-row shopper's paradise. You have choices, so use them. It's a practical three-row SUV category. High inventory usually means more availability and easy to cross-shop in this class. Discounts can be offset by finance office products. Higher trims can balloon monthly payments. the deal may not be a deal after the fees. Cross shop versus the Honda Pilot and Toyota Grand Highlander. Jeep Wrangler, just over $25,000 available nationwide. Wrangler isn't cheap anymore, and inventory is telling you buyers are pushing back. Pros and cons: unique design and lifestyle identity, strong enthusiast appeal and community. Higher inventory can improve the deal flexibility. Pricing can remain stubborn despite the inventory, and your comfort practicality isn't for everyone here. Options and packages can get expensive pretty quickly, so cross-shop with the Ford Bronco or the 4Runner from Toyota. $27,150. That's how many Chevy Silverado 1500s are available nationwide. Best location: Texas. Yep, Texas is a truck battlefield, so use competition there as a weapon. Strong full-size truck market has great presence. Many dealers equal easy to force the bidding. High inventory can create some real discount pressure here, but the fees and add-ons can inflate the out-the-door number, so be careful. Trim complexity can obscure comparisons. Some dealers still pitch the payment instead of the price. Cross-shop it with the F-150 and the Ram 1500. $27,750 for the Honda CR-V. Best location to find this one? In New York. Even when CR-Vs stack up, you may have more leverage than you think if you shop it like a pro. It's a strong mainstream appeal with practicality, often a safe cross-shop baseline in its class. Higher inventory can soften dealer stance. The cons: dealers may resist deep discounts. Popular models can still command firm pricing though. Overpay risk if you don't price check multiple stores with quotes.everymandriver.com. Cross-shop it with the RAV4 and Hyundai Tucson. And the vehicle with the most inventory nationwide right now for this month is the Ram 1500, $31,750. This is the headline. Over 31,000 Rams nationwide is the kind of number that changes dealer behavior. Yes, massive availability equals strong buyer choices here. High inventory usually increases the discount potential. Dense dealer markets amplify negotiation leverage. Dealers may try to protect their margins with add-ons, so be aware of that. Pricing varies widely by trim and packages. The deal can get padded in finance if you're not careful. Cross-shop it against a Silverado 1500 or an F-150. So here's how you can actually use this inventory data to your advantage. Get 3 to 5 quotes and compare the out-the-door numbers. Shop the best location regions when possible, and refuse those add-ons and force a deal to stay clean. Be flexible on color and trim, and walk fast when they talk monthly payment before the price. You can do so by checking out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's 100% free, it's fast and easy to use, and gives you real-time dealer invoice pricing on new and used vehicles in your zip code. That means you can avoid overpaying, spot surprise markups and junk add-ons early, and negotiate from a position of strength and education. If you want to save hundreds, possibly thousands, this is a smart buyer move before you ever sit down at a desk. That's my report today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to click subscribe. We've been uploading new videos every week since 2012, daily in 2026. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Adios.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com. You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. Want to save 5% on your very own at-home barrel sauna? I've partnered with Almost Heaven to hook you up. This has been a game changer for my recovery and daily routine. Use my code and link below and start sweating smarter. You can save 5% on the red light panel that I use every week. This platinum LED Biomax works anywhere: bedroom, gym, recovery room, and is packed with science-backed benefits. Use my code below and start feeling the difference today.